Right, this is where we're staying for the night. So it's moored up, a houseboat, it obviously doesn't go anywhere. Right, so we're staying in the Wharf Suite, which is this nice bed. What are you drinking, Mark? Don't blame you.
Me.
Don't blame you, you're on holiday.
1 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock.
We're on his way to our unique Airbnb, which you'll probably see from the thumbnail and title. It's actually a houseboat, a 3-bedroom houseboat. So that's where we're off.
I think it's a barge with a lodge slapped on top.
Well, kind of.
It looks like it.
Very big. So we're looking forward to that. We can check in straight away. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Mark and Hannah's here. Mark's got his son's teenage clothes on. I don't know why he brought all them. So we should get there. Then we're going to head into York. We'll do a quick tour of the Airbnb, and then we're going to pick up some food, and then we're going to get back to the Airbnb and just chill out on the decking tonight, aren't we? With some drinks and
possibly
food.
Something planned in York.
A little surprise for Mark.
Yeah. One of many surprises this week.
Right, this is where we're staying for the night. So it's moored up, a houseboat, it obviously doesn't go anywhere. There's 3 bedrooms, which I think are downstairs. We haven't been in yet, we're just getting it open. And then kitchen and dining room and things at the top. We've got a balcony there, like a decking area, where we're probably going to eat tonight. And then there's a huge decking area with the barbecue and things there, and then there's sort of like caravans and stuff here, and there's an on-site, I think it's a restaurant down there. We haven't checked it out yet. So we've got all this where we can have food as well. Nice barbecue. This is the first time we've walked in, so you've seen the tour with us. Toaster.
Oh, love this here. Look at this.
Nice kitchen. Ooh, there's some teas and coffees and stuff, which is nice. Kettle, fridge. Oh, some games up there. We've got some board games. Living room. DVDs. Yeah.
Let's have a gander downstairs.
So what's in there? Is that locked? Oh no.
That's just an upstairs bar.
Upstairs toilet.
Right, let's go and have a gander. It's a bit nippy. Ooh.
1 bedroom here. You can almost look out onto the to the river there.
Fire exit out there.
Ensuite.
That goes up to like ladders upstairs.
Down the corridor to, oh wow, bunk beds and a single bed there. Oh, friggin' hell!
You can choose whatever room you want.
Oh my god, it's moving.
This is a huge. What's this? Oh, and this is like, so it's like a Jack and Jill.
Like a Jack and Jill.
Yeah.
But obviously that room's empty, so this has like got a full bath in it.
Wow.
It's not even moving.
I feel weird.
Max feels seasick already.
Seasick, we're not even on sea.
Right, so we're staying in the Wharf Suite, which is this nice bed and TV in the corner.
You can feel a little bit of
wobble.
It's like a little bit drunk, do you know what I mean? Where you're a bit off balance.
Yeah. And it goes on to the Jack and Jill bathroom, which is huge. I do wish we were here for a few days because it's perfect. And if you've got any kids out, they'd love those bunk beds.
It's actually bigger than the bath in the apartment.
We are only here for tonight. We're going to unpack.
Yeah.
This is where we intend to have a meal tonight, or takeaway, whatever. Or we may have something on the cafe, and then just Have a nice glass of wine out here. What are you drinking, Mark? Don't blame you. Don't blame you. You're on holiday.
1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
Right, we've come into York. We'll be back on the airboat.
Airboat?
Not airboat.
That's a new one.
Houseboat in a while because we're going to have a meal there tonight and everything.
They do pizzas on site, so we've already decided what we're having. But just to be on the safe side, we're going to call at M&S and get some bits and bats.
Yeah. So we're going to go for a mooch around York now. Have some lunch. Maybe go on a boat.
We're going to hire one of them.
There.
Going to
Like
get one of
that
them.
And just have a nice day. Right, it's time to take Mark to his little surprise that we've got for him, which we think is round here. Shisha Terrace. We're bringing him to a Shisha Terrace. It's closed? Oh no.
However, they don't open until 2, so...
Right, the Shisha bar was actually closed, but it's next door, so we've come into the next pub, bar, and it's 2-for-1 cocktails. I've got a non-alcoholic. These guys have got something with raspberry in.
Rhubarb thing, yeah.
Nick's got a headache, so he's having a cup of tea and a biscuit.
And we're going to get Blue Moon when they run out.
So we're going to enjoy these. Right, we're back to the Shisha bar, and I can see no, I can see a sign now. 2 for 10 mojitos. Not that that's what we want. We want a shisha up on the Shisha bar lounge. How are you enjoying your Shisha bar, Mark? You surprised?
Perfect, yeah.
At least this bar was open.
So we went to the Shisha bar. It was open, but they said they weren't doing Shisha.
Get the story right.
Well, we
The
stayed
website-
2 hours. They said they were going to open at 2, so we stayed 2 hours. No, so we went at 2, it was closed. We phoned up and it said it was open at 4, so we stayed around bars and stuff. Because Mark really wanted to go to a shisha bar. We got there at 4, they were open, they didn't do shisha.
Shit.
So it was a bit of a shisha bar.
Shisha bar, shit bar.
So we came back anyway. But we've got the boat to enjoy, so it's fine, it's lovely, the sun's out.
Baking hot now.
It's really hot. And we're just having a chill. Where's my drink?
In tap. That thing's up the windscreen.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's pumping out then.
We're just watching this little sort of yacht thing being brought in. So it looks like it's sunk or something, and they've resurfaced it and brought it in, and they're pumping all the water out. So everybody's kind of just sat watching. It's kind of interesting. The sun is beautiful. It's such nice weather. We're just sat on the deck in. I think Nick's gone in to get a drink, and I don't know whether this is the name of this boat or not, the Ark of the York. But I'll put the link to the Airbnb. It's an Airbnb in the description. Hi.
I'm not sharing.
You are.
I'm not.
It's time for pizza.
I've seen somebody carrying one, they're tiny.
Mark, get ready for when they say, sorry, we don't have pepperoni.
If they do, I'll give you the hand signal so you can film it.
We'll be going to a Papa John's.
You can see the steam coming out of here.
So just over here they have a pizza place where they have like a stone baked pizza oven in the back. So we're getting pizza from there. I'll have ham and pineapple if they don't do pepperoni. Dinner's arrived. So these pizzas were, how much were they? 12 quid each? 12 quid, something like that, yeah. We've got pepperoni and pineapple, a plain cheese and tomato, and then ham and pineapple. Oh my god, there's pesto on that. pancakes for breakfast.
Mickey waffle. Well, Mickey waffles. Let's call them waffles. I've had to use the pancake mix is actually for pancakes, not American. So I've had to double up the flour mixture to fluff them.
Mark, so you're just off out to a baseball game?
No, it's after rob some old grannies.
Is the ooh?
Yeah, that one's actually got no Mickey face on the other side. It went wrong. It stuck to the pan.
Is that mine?
Yeah, that one's yours. That one's Hannah's.
Oh, need some fruit.
A few raspberries.
A couple of blueberries.
A couple of blueberries.
Did we get any maple syrup at all?
No. Hannah wanted chocolate, so chocolate it is. There you go.
Right, we're ready to go.
Bit of shopping.
Gonna go do a bit of shopping at the MacArthur Glen.
Got his next TP booked.
Yeah, we're gonna meet my sister for lunch and take her out and then go see the girls.
Can I just say, right?
Yeah,
Over that tree is
yeah,
the designer outlet at York.
yeah.
If you were to walk there, it would take you an hour to get there. Even though it's literally just behind those trees. And it's 11 minutes in a car because you have to go back down the A64, round the motorway, near the racecourse, and then back down the A64 again.
What do you think of that, Mark?
I'm fascinated by it, I've already
I'm
told
not
him.
walking, so I'm absolutely fine with it.
Right, so we're ready to go. We had a very nice night. It was nice and warm. We put the heating on. We didn't go out there in the end. We had, as you saw, our whole meal out there. The pillars were a bit hard, were yours?
Yeah, a bit.
But we're all ready to go. So I'll put the details below for this Airbnb if you fancy staying on a houseboat. I could easily live on this. So I'm going to finish the vlog.
Bye everybody, don't forget to click subscribe.
Are we going to let Matt do it?
I'll go on then.
Don't forget to click subscribe
And like, comment,
Notification bell.
and we'll be back tomorrow.
Or the next
another
day.
for another vlog.
Bye.
Bye for now.